Hey Stampers! Welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey and I'm excited to share with you today one of my favorite stamp sets that was in the Occasions catalog this last year, and it's carrying over to the new annual catalog, which I'm so excited about. So I wanted to share a video with you and show you how much you can do with this stamp set and how versatile it is, because it is seriously so much fun. I've had so much fun playing with it and seeing all the different things that people have done with it. So it's the Waterfront Stamp Set. Let me pull it in here. And it's kind of one of those abstract stamp sets that you can build a scene with, which isn't always my cup of tea, but in the end, the projects come out looking so amazing and you can't help but love it. So I'm going to show you one of the projects that I'm going to do, but I'm just going to stamp it here and then I'll bring in the card to show you so that you can kind of see it all come together at once. I have a piece of very vanilla paper here, and I'm going to start using, you can see I have all of my stamps and my stamp pads here. So it's kind of a lot of, it's a builder one, so you're using a lot of different product here, but it comes out looking so amazing. So I'm going to start with my old olive, and I like to start using this. I like to do my land first, so I can see kind of where my base is, where I'm going to put everything else. So I'm just going to stamp that right down here like that. And then I'm going to take, and then I'm going to do my water. So this is Dapper Denim that I'm using. And this is one of our colors, our in colors that's going out this year. So I'm pretty sad about it, but we have awesome ones coming in. So that's okay. And I'm just going to stamp it down here a few times to kind of get that watery look down here, just like that. Next, I'm going to do mountains. I decided. These in crumb cake. And I'm going to kind of come up a little higher here on my page and do 1 and then 2, just like that. And then I'm going to do, I have a little cottage to put in my scene right there in the middle. And then we'll do our trees. Now with the trees, I'm going to use 2 different colors, so I'll have to clean them in between. But I'm going to start with Old Olive. I'm going to do 1 set over here. And then I'm going to do 2 over here. So I'm kind of going to do this one off the page like that. And then, like I said, I'm going to clean my Old Olive, the stamp with the Old Olive that I used. And then I'm also going to stamp it in Garden Green, just kind of over the top of it, so it gives it kind of a cool 2-dimensional look. You kind of see how that does that. Make sure I'm stamping the right trees there. Okay, so that's my scene. And you can see it kind of looks a little jumbled right now. But one cool thing that you can do with this stamp set is you can actually watercolor on top of it, and it will give it more of a watercolory look. That's what's really cool. So it almost looks like you watercolored it, but you stamped it. It's almost like cheating, but we won't tell anybody that. So you'll just take an aqua painter and just come down here and kind of just go over your water, and you can see it kind of just smears it and gives it more of a soft look, and it looks less stamped and more like it's been actually watercolored. You can even take some of that color and bring it up into the sky. See if I can pick up enough. Bring it up here so it looks like you've got some sky too. And then you also can do it with your land and your trees. Kind of just give them a blurred type look there. Make it look more watercolory, just like that. So simple, and you have a full scene there, and it's so easy to do. So let me bring in the full card here. You can see we added some cute burlap ribbon here, and then the wood grain paper in the back, and you have a cute male masculine type card that you can use. So much fun. Okay, let me close my stamp pads here, and I'll show you a few other ideas that you can do using this stamp set. The cool thing about it is that it has it has images that you can do like a mountain scene like this or a beach scene. So it's very versatile. You can do a lot of different things with it. Here's another one using that cute mountain scene and the wood texture embossing folder behind. And then here's what I was talking about. You can use the beach ones to make a beach scene there. So cute. And here's another one using the beach. There's so many different options with this. I love it. So cute. Just with that sun. Doesn't that just make you want to go to the beach? Sit on the sand? It does me. So cute. This one was done on watercolor paper. It really looks watercolored on that one. I love it. This one I liked because it kind of shows that you can do a whole different color scheme and get a really pretty card. This is kind of a Polaroid looking one. It's so bright and vibrant, and I love the colors on this one. I thought that was cute. So on this last card that I want to show you, I didn't actually use the stamp set to make any kind of scene. I used it in a different way, and I wanted to show you that you can, there's so many options. You don't only have to use it in one way. So here it is. You can see I used that cute water stamp set, and I just did it in 2 different colors and made kind of a design there with the little circle and used the saying in there, make friends make the good times better. So I thought that was really fun to show that you can use it in a lot of different ways. And get so much use out of this stamp set. I hope that you enjoyed today. If you want the details for this card, make sure you visit stampingjill.com, and we'll have a blog post there with all the details and all the products that I use for making this card here. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.